everybody, it's Victoria. Welcome in. We have an unboxing to do. This bag is part of the 8-5 drop that I got from Coach. It got delivered yesterday, but just thought today we're gonna unbox it together. This is the Andre Barrow 24 in the Love Leather, and this is an outlet bag, but my local outlet did not get the Loved Leather version of this bag, and so I ordered it when I was at the retail store. My SA ordered it for me, so let's unbox her. Okay, all right, I got my handy dandy box cutter here. I love the Andre Barrow bag, my friends. Currently using the green one as my pouch bag. So let's just go through this one. Let's see. Oh, I love the Barrow bags. So anyway, let's just, Coach, and the packaging. But we love it. Let me see if I can cut some of this off. Well, we know that this is my bag and it's never been used or opened. This is the Barrow. Oh my goodness, friends. Oh, he. She's gorgeous. This is a men's bag. Y'all know how much I'm into the men's line at Coach. This is the Barrow, Andre Barrow 24. I have this bag in the green, and I'll show you in 2 seconds. Let's take off some, and look at the tag. The Love Leather collection from Coach is just second to none, I tell you. And even though this is an outlet bag, I love it. Whoops, I'm not doing this gracefully. I am excited. I love this bag. Oh, Coach. Let me just take this. Yeah, let me take that off first. Make it a little easy. Now, this bag comes with 2 straps, and we will get to those in 2 seconds. And it's got a shoulder strap and a crossbody strap, which is like a webbing strap. So silver hardware. This bag is stunning. You know what? I wish Coach had made this Andre Barrow bag in the size 30 size. That size is amazing. And I have this bag, the Andre Barrow, in the size 30. Let me show you. I'll get it in a second. So I have it up here. This size. This is the Andre Barrow in the size 30. And y'all see me show you how I've worn this bag before. I have a video where I styled her in a gold accessory and silver accessory. This bag is stunning. Capacity, amazing. But anyway, so that is the size 30. I wish they had made this bag in that size, but you know what? It didn't. But I still love it. This Loved Leather bag is stunning. So let's take off some of this stuffing to see what. Personally, I do not throw away any of these stuffings. I use them to stuff my bags when I'm not using the bag. So they come in handy for me. So I save them. I don't get rid of them. That's just what I do. Do this a little bit. I'll show you. Coach does know how to pack up. Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong here. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere with this. Okay, now she's empty. So let's see. Oh, I love this bag. Where is the strap? So she comes with 2 straps. Oh, here they are. This is the first of the 2. See? I love the Andre Barrow bags, friends. This bag have so much slouch, and y'all know me, how much we're into slouchiness. I mean, you can't tell me this bag is not stunning. Look at this. And I do have this bag in the size 24, this size 24. And let me tell you, you can put a lot in this size. Let me show you, because this was my bag of the day. Y'all saw me do my little bag of the day. And inside, put this over here. Inside of this bag, y'all know I use pouches. I have been using the Andre Barrow 24, this size. This is this size, this bag. So do you see? And I have all of my things in this green one. And I showed you when I did my last video what was inside of her, because I've been using this as my, you know, pouch inside of my work bag. This is the Andre Barrow 24. This is the Andre Barrow 24. This is the new girl on the block. So you know I will be using her immediately. Oh, yes. All right, let's try it on with the longer crossbody strap, okay? And it's that webbing strap. So let's look at the strap for a second. I'm not the biggest fan of these type of straps, but for some reason with this love leather one, I think I'm gonna use this strap. I love it. So it's that webbing strap, but it does have leather. I'm gonna get a little closer here, see if I can show you. So there's strips of leather on the strap. I think this is stunning, and I love leather. And then it's got this, oh, I like this. I like this little detail that you can hang a charm off this if you like. But I also have, I'm gonna show you when I wear this bag. I also have some other love leather bags that come with removable. Let me show you. Sorry. Y'all, I'm sorry, my video is all over this place. But I was thinking of, you see this little pouch? Comes with this bag that I could, sorry, that I could, you know, put something like this. Like I could use this on this strap. Now let's see. Y'all gonna see when I dressed this bag up. But this is kind of what I was thinking when I saw this on, you know, saw this little D-ring on the strap here, that you can add little pouches and stuff to it. And oops, what am I doing, friends? I don't know. Okay, there we go. But do you see what I mean? You can so something like that. Isn't that fancy and fabulous? I love it. So you can you know, do something like this, add to your D-ring, and you know, put your AirPods or something in it. Of course, this doesn't come with the bag, but I have, you know, other love leather or love canvas item from Coach that you can kind of mix and match the straps and things and use them. So for example, I can use this, you know, the straps from my Rowan that I recently got on this bag. So let me just show you the Rowan. Sorry. So this pocket Rowan, the strap that comes with this bag, you could also use with this bag. So yeah, What do you think, friends? Do you like this? Do you like this bag as much as I did? I love this bag. So this is the Andre Barrow 24 in love leather, and this is an outlet bag, and I will put dimensions in the video. This bag is chic. I love the men's line at Coach. So if you haven't gotten anything from the men's line, get on it. It is a good line, and the bags are really nice, well made. The prices, the men's line, the prices are everything. So, and you just seen, I showed you a few of them. The Andre Barrow 24. This is not a men's bag, but this is the Andre 24. And then I showed you the Andre 30. These are a men's bag. And then, sorry. And then this bag, you know, this bag that I'm borrowing, this pouch from, also a men's bag. I think this is the Fletcher. Yes, that's the name of this bag. No, a Finley, sorry. I'm all over the place in this video. Sorry, friends. But yeah, so I will be doing my collection of love leather bags and love canvases bag from Coach. That video is coming very, very, very soon. But I just wanted to show you this bag and box this bag with you. And this is it. Stunning. Yeah, this one was not in my store, but you know, I ordered it online. So I'll have the style number and everything in the video for you, okay? Price is $139. If I'm wrong, I'll have the correct price of the bag in the video. Okay, thank you, friends. Please like the video if you did like this video, and please subscribe. It does help me out. Share the video too if you don't mind. And oh, you can hype the video too. I do have the hype button right now, so please go ahead and do that if you like the video, and I will see you in my next one.